Welcome to SW Garage Doors. Based in Bodmin and established since 1999, we specialise in the supply and installation of industrial doors and automated gates to commercial clients across Cornwall and Devon. Our range of industrial door products includes loading houses, which allow for the entire building space to be used and help with installation and also modernisation of a building. Horm and flap dock shelters, which adjust to a vehicle's size. Hydraulic dock levelers, which can be installed into factory floors. And inflatable or cushion docks, which help to maintain a building's internal air temperature and save energy. Horm underground car park doors are the perfect solution for underground car parks, or where an extremely low noise option is required. Horm industrial fast action doors are popular where traffic is high, but doors need to remain closed most of the time. Horm industrial sectional doors offer the ultimate in the industrial door market: smooth electric operation. For more information, contact us on 01208 264 888.